Right now I'm going to show you how to clean your Bissell Turboclean. It comes with this cool tool here, and I'll show you how to use that in a second. First thing we do is go ahead and pull out our dirty water reservoir. Now once you're done cleaning, you'll have to dump this out. I've already done that because I want to show you how to take it apart here. So here, you open up the flap, you dump out your dirty water, but not everything's going to come out of there. So here on the bottom, you can actually unscrew this cap, and then this whole center piece comes out. Now when it pulls out here, you kind of have to tilt it at an angle to get it out, and then you can rinse this off, and then you can really get a sprayer, put that under your sink, and you can really clean out the inside of your container here. And then this, you can go ahead and scrub that and clean it well. Now you'll see here it does have this little notch in the hole here to get it back in place. So you'll come in at an angle here, and it'll go right back in, and then that notch lines up with the groove here on the actual insert. So you know how to line it back up. So it's easy to get back in place, and then you can simply just go ahead and put that back on there. Now cleaning out the inside of the machine, actually, let me take off the water reservoir here. The only thing in here is that you have this little filter here. It's a red filter. It might be a different color on your machine, but you just want to rub your fingers over that, maybe a paper towel or something. Get out any hair that's built up, or dirt, dust, debris, whatever might be in there. Go ahead and get that out of there as well, and then you can throw that away. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull this off. So this is the cover for the brush roller. Now in here, you can kind of just get your fingers in there, pull out any hair. Now this is a day or two after use, so everything's dry. So that's, you know, it's up to you on how you want to clean it. If you want to clean it while everything's wet, or you want to clean it while it's dry, it's up to you. But this is after a couple days of use. Now I want to make sure that you can see this. So you see the hair in there? The cool thing with this tool is it's flat, so it goes right in there. Okay, so you see that big clump of hair? I can just pull that right out of there. And then it actually flexes, so you can go up in the entire machine there, or in the entire cover there, and you can clean out all your hair, dirt, dust, debris, whatever's in there. You can just grab it with this cool tool here, and then that's how you clean out the inside of that. So that's pretty cool there. So the previous versions did not come with this tool, so I think that's a cool addition there, that you can just go ahead and use that tool to clean out the inside of your cover there. And then while this is off, you can actually, you know, if you needed to, you could clean anything inside of here. You could run this brush along here and get some of that hair that's in there, and then pull that out, because there are some bristles up here inside of the machine itself. And so you can run this along there, and that actually kind of grabs it for you. So you can then go ahead and get it in clumps and start pulling it out. So, you know, realistically, that's just the nature of using carpet cleaners and things like that. There's going to be some maintenance, there's going to be some cleaning required, but that's how you go ahead and clean your Turboclean after use. And then of course you can just put it all back together. If you want a full complete tutorial on how to use the machine, you can watch that next. Again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.